Summer Fishing Highlight Reel.
First cast on the Whopper Plopper. Let's go. He's probably 2.5, 3. Oh man. There's another one. Probably about 2 pounds. Golly, it's heating up. This might be a TV. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, this might be my best bass. I'm freaking shaky. Look at that. Yeah, good looking guy. Yeah, I'd say he's about a 2. 7'8".
Yep.
7 pounds, 8 ounces.
Let's see down the mouth.
On the crappie pole. Look at that mouth. And that's what we do here at Prestige Fishing 316.
That's all we do.
Hey, it's catching, it ain't fishing, boys. Look. Golly, big boys. There we go. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a decent bass. That is a decent bass. Let's go.